Now we start our second part of paragraph formatting. So the paragraph formatting is the feature to set the appearance of the paragraph. Here we apply line spacing and paragraph spacing. Again, you see same paragraph we write here, and in home tab you can see paragraph here. Click here. You can see this is already default setting, means this is by the programmer who make this 1 inches between these lines. If I click on 1.5, you can see this gap is increased like this one. If I change this, the gap between this line is increased. Okay, this is up to you, or select this one. Okay, now second one is, this is for the line spacing. Now for paragraph spacing, go on page layout tab. You can see again paragraph. Here you can see left, this is indent. What is the meaning of indent? Indent mean before the paragraph. Okay, this side. Okay, for example, this is already 0.3. If I change this like this one, you can see this move to right hand side. If I change this move to left hand side. Okay, same if I click on. Okay, so for the right, this go from the end side, this size increase or decrease like this one. Okay, and if I change this become this side. Okay, you can see ruler is also moved because we increase or decrease the size. Now this is indent, means before or after the paragraph. Now spacing between the paragraph. Okay, so this is already auto selected. If you change it, for example, you can see its gap will be increased from the front because cursor is here. If I put cursor here, you can see, and apply here, you can see paragraph between these two lines, the space will be increased. Actually this is considered as one paragraph. For example, if I click on here, because here this finished, so I apply, if you can see this will be increase or decrease. Okay, and see in the here, this is before this is auto selected, but if you can increase or decrease, this can be done by this. Okay, now go again. Okay, and if I go back, you can see this come back again, apply here, and you can see go back, so this will be moved this side. This you can see up and down, and from this move from left or right, you can see here, or move to this side. Okay, same you apply here, go on down or back side, and here you can apply, okay, left, or you can apply right side. Okay, in this way you can move up and down and increase or decrease the size between the paragraphs. Now last thing is how to print a document. For this, go on file. Okay, and you can see here print. Click on print, you can see preview here. Okay, now in setting there are different options. For first one is copies, how many copies you want. For example, 2, 3, 4, how many copies. And your printer must be attached with your computer, and print all pages. Okay, or print one side, this is up to you how many sides. And portrait or landscape, for example, this time this is portrait. If I click on landscape, you can see this shape is changed. I click on portrait again, so this become like this one. Okay, and one page per sheet, this is also this, so page you can set. And after this you click, and this you can see here pages, you apply how many copies, so these are all appear here. Okay, like this one, 2, 3, 4, how many copies you, there are collected 3 copies, like this one, 1, 2, 3, how many copies, collected or uncollected, what type of you want. Okay, first you set all of these things, and then you must be sure that your computer must be connected with the printer and your printer will be on. Then after this click OK, then you can click on print, and after this you can get the print of this. Okay.